Hi guys, welcome back to my vlog. On today's video, I'm going to do an unboxing of the AirPods Max in a shade or color of red/pink. If you're interested in this video, just keep on watching. Okay guys, here it is. Fresh from Apple Store Sydney. So let's do the unboxing. Here it is. 4 out of 5 colors. I chose this one because I love pink. AirPods Max with smart case. At the time it's 1:25 in the afternoon. So here it is guys. Actually it's not really a red one, it's orange. So let's just put it there. It has only some paperwork. Let's see if it has stickers. No stickers. Then lightning cable to USB-C. Okay, looks like a leather case and it's magnetic. Oh gosh, scary. So nice. Why? Actually guys, there's a noise cancellation. I couldn't even hear my own voice while I'm using this one. Magnetic siya. Yeah, it's a mesh. See? It's really a cloth. So scary to scratch. Yeah. So bye.